Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Tuesday, February 9th. It's so good to be here today. Let's keep talking about habits of success and actually putting them into our goals this week. We're actually going to look at somebody's week page today. It's one of you, and then we're going to put a goal in there. Let's get started first with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so yesterday we used our imaginary student, Janine, to talk about how we'd set a goal, right? And don't forget, Janine, she's been off school for a couple weeks. She did some work. She tried. It's so much harder when you're at home, and that's okay. We understand that. She came back with 2 red PFAs and a project due Wednesday. So you got to chat with your class. Now, I'll guarantee I don't even know what the discussions are yet. And I know that different classes probably prioritize things differently. And that's why I wanted you to have that conversation with your teacher, because you need to talk to your teacher when you get in those situations. Hey, you know what? Mr. Alderson, I have 2 different things to work on, but I don't know which one to do first. Your teachers can help you with that, right? So I'm going to pretend that I've talked to my teacher and I've decided that my goal needs to be getting that project finished first. My teacher said, you know what? You did a good job on your last PFAs, and it looks like, look, you already got a 7 on that one, and the other one we're going to be talking about later today in a workshop, so I'm going to put you in my workshop. But I think you really need to make sure you get that project finished. That way you don't have to worry about that. So your top goal is going to be that project. Okay, I've got that project in my head. And then I look at my Habits of Success poster, and you could have picked so many different ones. Oh man, there's so many different ones. But I know myself, and I know that the one that I'm going to need is a sense of purpose, right? So my purpose is, you know what? I'm looking at this, and I'm almost getting ready to change my mind here. I think I'm gonna switch it to self-direction, because it turns out I have a lot of my project done. I think I'm going to go with self-direction. I have a lot of my project done, but I just need to keep myself focused. I need to set some small goals, and I think I can have it done and turned in by Wednesday. Then I can keep working on my PFAs. So I'm going to challenge you to do this week. I'm going to go to somebody's week page. I've already logged in as a student. I'm not going to tell you which student, so you can look at some clues on the page and you might get a couple hints. And then when you log in today, look at your week page and see if I put the goal on yours or if it's one of your friends. You can delete it. You don't need to keep it, because it's a goal for our fake Janine student. But we don't really have a Janine, so I actually put this on somebody's real page. So I'm going to switch over here. I'm going to set a goal, and when I write my goal, I'm going to make sure it's a SMART goal. I'm going to make sure it has a good plan, all that good stuff that we've talked about, and then I'm just going to put a little note in there about which habit of success is going to help me. That's going to spark some conversations during mentoring, and it's also going to let my teacher know like which habits of success I'm trying to use. So here's my year page. I'm a real student. Okay. It turns out that my project that's due in 2 days is a science project, so I'm going to write my goal. Now look at this. I'm going to click projects. I'm going to click finish task. Okay. All right. So if I finish my predictions for a broken ecosystem, I'm done. And my teacher's like, yes, that's what you need to do by Wednesday, right? But I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to make this a SMART goal. I've been working on this, and I actually can finish that by the end of PLT today. Okay? And I'm going to get that turned in. I'll be ready to go. But I'm going to add a little bit more onto my goal. And I'm going to say, I will use self-direction to stay focused on my goal. Okay. Then I have my, right there, I've got my habit of success that I want to use. I'll create my goal. Oh, look at that. I got a little warning that says you cannot perform an action for a student. Oh man. Okay, so nobody gets to know who. I'll just tell you who it was. It was Grace Maddox. But it won't let me really put a goal on your year page or on your week page, Grace. That's probably good because I'd just be giving you guys weird goals all the time. But let's bounce back to that just so you can review what my goal was. I'm going to finish my project for a broken ecosystem by the end of PLT today, and I'm going to use self-direction to make sure I reach my goal. You don't have to have a giant big plan, but I do want you to start noting on there which habit of success you think is going to help you meet that goal. Have a great day, Achieve.